Hi guys, so today we're going to look at how to count money on a hundreds chart. And I was just fiddling in my pocket and I found all of this change. So I wanted to use my hundreds chart to figure out how much money I actually had. So I'm going to group this really quickly. I have pennies. I have nickels and I have dimes. I always like to start counting first by the largest coin possible. And when I say largest, I don't mean by size, but I mean by the value. So if I have a dime is worth 10 cents. And if you don't remember, say your little song. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So I'm going to place my dime on the number 10. If I were to add another dime, I would just go straight down because that's 10 more. So 10, 20, and again would be 30. Now I'm going to use my nickels. And a nickel's worth 5. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So 5 more after 30 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. 5 more after 35 would be 40. And 5 more after 40 would be 45. So far I have 45 cents. Now I can use my pennies. I know my penny is worth 1 cent. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So now I get to just count by ones. So 45, 46. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So I have a total of 51 cents. I'm going to go ahead and clear this off, and we're going to try another one. All right, this time I reached into my pocket and I found some other coins. I have 2 dimes, a penny, a nickel, and 2 quarters. So I know my coin with the largest value is a quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. If you don't remember, quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So I'm going to put my quarter right on the 25. If I have another quarter, where would I end up? So 25 plus 25. If I don't remember, I could count by 10s. So if I go down 10, 10, and 5 more would be 50. So I'm at 50. So 2 quarters is worth 50 cents. My next largest coin is my dime, which is worth 10. So 50 plus 10 more is 60. 60 plus 10 more is 70. Now I have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5. So 70 plus 5 more would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 75 cents. Now I have a penny. Penny is worth just 1. So I'm going to move over just 1 space. My total of my amount of my coins is 76 cents. That's the last number that I landed on. Let's brush that to the side and do another one. This time I reached into Mrs. Webster's pocket and I reached out this much coins. So again, I'm going to group my coins. I have 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. So I always start with my largest value of coin, which is a quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So I put my first quarter on 25. Now I remember from last time that the second quarter goes on 50 because 25 plus 25 is 50. So now I need 25 more after this quarter. So I don't remember, I can go and count by 10s first. So 10, 20, and then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 quarters was worth 75 cents. Now I have my dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So I take my dime. 10 more than 75 is 85. 10 more than 85 is 95. And now I have pennies. I can count by ones. 95, 96, 97, 98. So I have a total of 98 cents. Great job. We're going to try a different one. This time, I'm going to make up the money that I have. So I'm going to say I have $0.23. So I know in 23 cents, I could probably get 2 dimes. So 10, so I'm going to draw a D and circle over the 10. Another dime would make me to 20. I need 3 more cents, so I'm going to use pennies. 1, 2, and 3. So I have 2 dimes and 3 pennies. Okay, we're going to try another one that is similar to this. Let's say I have $0.65. Okay, I remember from the last time that 2 quarters is 50 cents. So I'm going to draw a quarter over 25 and then a quarter over 50. So I'm at 50 cents, but I need 65. I need to get over to here still. So I'm going to add a dime. I'm going to go straight down and add a dime. And then I need 5 more. 5 more. What coin is worth 5? Oh, a nickel. I'm going to put a nickel then here. So to get to 65 cents, I could use 2 quarters, a dime, and a nickel. The last one I'm going to do is for $0.89. Okay, so this time I think I'm going to work with some dimes today. So I have 80 cents. So if I want to use dimes, I could count by tens. 1 dime, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm at 80 so far. I've used 8 dimes. I need to get to 89 though. So I'm going to do a nickel to give me 5 more cents. So I'm going to draw an N. And then I need to get to 89, so I'm going to use pennies. So P, 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 and P. So I have 8 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. This is what you are going to do today on your hundreds chart. You're going to get an amount of money, and you are going to draw coins on your hundreds chart to show what different combination you could use to make that amount. Right? Good luck, mathematicians.